What can you do with $10,000 to make it grow into $1 million? Financial experts often suggest traditional investments like IRAs or the stock market, but those tend to have low returns. Instead, you might want to think about investing in assets that can both generate income and appreciate in value. Wealthy individuals often invest in businesses and real estate to grow their wealth. For example, you could buy a vending machine to earn recurring income or invest in rental properties. The important thing is to follow the lead of wealthy people and invest in assets that provide ongoing returns. It's best to avoid spending your money on things that bring only temporary enjoyment or that get used up quickly. By making smart investments, you can make your money stretch further and build wealth over the long term. It's important to be wise and think about the future when deciding what to do with your money. So, in this video, let's delve into some ways that can convert your $10,000 to $1 million. Number 1. The first thing to do is pay off expensive debt. Not all debts are bad, but some can be if they cost you money. For example, consumer debts like boat or car loans or credit card debt fall into the bad debt category. So, it's important to assess whether your debt is good or bad before deciding when to pay it off. Let's imagine you have $10,000 to invest and a choice to make. If you have student loan debt with a 3% interest rate, it might be better to go for an investment that offers a potential 20% return. In this case, the difference in opportunity cost is 17%. You could potentially make the 20% return and then use the earnings to pay off the student loans later, especially since their interest rate is low. However, if you have credit card debt with a 21% interest rate, it would be more beneficial to use the $10,000 to pay off the debt instead of opting for the investment. Choosing the investment deal would result in a loss of 1%, since the debt's interest rate is higher. Since your credit card debt is too expensive, it's a good idea to use your $10,000 to pay it off. The bottom line is, if you have a low-interest loan on a car or credit card debt, don't see those as necessarily bad. Instead, focus on paying off the debts with higher interest rates first. Number 2. Buy a residential place. If you have $10,000, you might want to think about buying a house for yourself. It doesn't mean you have to live a fancier lifestyle, but it's an opportunity to own a home. Most banks allow you to purchase a house with just a 3% down payment, so you could buy a $200,000 or even a $300,000 house for less than $10,000. The reason for buying a house is that historically, real estate has increased in value by an average of 4.5% or more since the 1960s. This means that investing in a house could give you a good return on your investment. Let me explain with an example. Let's say you find a house you want to buy for $250,000. By putting down a 3% payment of $7,500 on that house, which grows in value by 5% each year, you could potentially earn significant returns. Over 5 years, the growth of $12,500 per year adds up to a total of $62,500. This example shows how a small initial investment in real estate can lead to big gains over time. That's almost 10 times the return on your investment. It's a substantial increase, which is why many millionaires' wealth often starts with their first home purchase. Number 3. Buy a small business. If you want to make money without starting a business from scratch, here's a simple plan. Search for local business brokers online to find a list of businesses that are up for sale. Surprisingly, most businesses that could be sold never actually get sold because their owners don't know how to go about it. Selling a business can be quite challenging. However, this presents a great opportunity for us. There are many business owners out there who have put in years of hard work and built successful businesses. But now, they are looking to retire or move on to other things in life. They are willing to let go of their businesses or try to sell them. Here's the exciting part. You can acquire these established businesses with very little upfront investment through something called seller financing. Basically, you pay a small down payment, usually $10,000 or less, and might even offer to pay a percentage of the profits for the next year. By doing this, you can become the owner of a successful business that is already making money. All you need to do is search for business brokers in your area. Get in touch with them and let them know you're interested in buying a profitable business with a proven track record. Look for motivated sellers who might be open to a deal where you pay a down payment of $10,000 and finance the rest of the purchase price. This is an amazing opportunity because we are currently witnessing the largest transfer of wealth in history, with many baby boomers holding onto their businesses. By acting smartly and taking advantage of these opportunities, you can acquire profitable businesses for a fraction of their actual value. For example, you might come across a business that generates $192,000 in sales and $67,000 in cash flow profits, being sold for only $60,000. With a down payment of just 10%, which is $6,000 in this case, $10,000 can take you a long way if you make wise decisions. And speaking of wise choices, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, because this channel is dedicated to making videos on amazing investment planning and wealth creation strategies that you don't want to miss out on. Number 4, join a business community. Be a part of a club or community where masterminds, successful people, business tycoons, and top investors gather. It's an opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals who understand the importance of networking. Consider the option of investing $10,000 to join a mastermind in your local area. Attend their meetings and events, and make an effort to meet as many people as possible. Keep in mind that a single connection can bring more financial benefits than years of working for money. Joining a mastermind is more than just networking. It's a strategy to invest in with the potential for significant returns. When you become a member of a mastermind, you gain access to a network of influential individuals. Together, you collaborate, share knowledge, and support each other. The goal is to leverage these connections and resources to generate returns that far surpass your initial investment. Within a year, aim to multiply your investment by 10 through new business opportunities, partnerships, a larger customer base, or personal growth. Actively participate, contribute your expertise, and build meaningful relationships. This positions you for success and opens doors to exponential growth. Remember, a mastermind is not simply a cost, but a powerful tool for unlocking remarkable returns on your investment. Finally, number 5, start a micro business of your own. Starting a micro business with a $10,000 investment is a unique path that, with careful execution, can potentially lead to becoming a millionaire. The process begins by identifying a profitable niche with high demand and low competition. Thorough market research is crucial in finding gaps in the market and developing a business plan. Creating an online presence through a professional website or e-commerce platform is a cost-effective way to showcase and sell products or services. Utilizing social media and content marketing can generate awareness and drive traffic. To ensure scalability, opt for a business model that allows for rapid growth, such as selling digital products or dropshipping. Marketing efforts should be optimized through techniques like search engine optimization, social media advertising, influencer collaborations, and content marketing. Prioritizing exceptional customer service fosters customer satisfaction, loyalty, and positive word-of-mouth recommendations. Continuously innovating and improving is essential for staying ahead of the competition. Stay updated with industry trends, listen to customer feedback, and adapt accordingly. Seeking partnerships and collaborations with complementary businesses or influencers can help tap into new customer segments. Reinvesting profits back into the business is crucial for growth. This can involve expanding product lines, improving marketing efforts, or hiring additional staff. As the business gains momentum, consider scaling and diversifying into new markets or product service offerings to broaden the customer base and mitigate risks. Now, it's time for some self-reflection. What steps will you take to implement these investment strategies in your own life? Are you ready to seize the opportunity and transform your financial future? Remember, the power to become a millionaire lies in your hands. Tell us your thoughts and opinions in the comment box below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our new strategies for making investments and wealth creation.